Assalamu alaikum. I'm going to solve this simple exponential equation in which we have 2 power x square root of x on the left hand side, and on the right side we have 2 power 27. So we solve for x, need to find the value of x. So first of all, note that on both sides we have the same base, that is 2 on both sides, so we can rewrite it as, that is, we compare the exponent, that square root x into square root of x is equal to 27. Next we substitute, make a simple substitution, that is y is equal to under root x. So just replace y with under root x, and if we take the square on both sides we get the value of x. So eventually we have y, y square into y, which makes it y cube is equal to 27. Now take the cube root on both sides. On the left hand side 1 by 3 and 3 is cancel out. On the right hand side we have 27 cube root, and cube root of 27 is 3. So we get the value of y, that is 3. And now substitute the value of y, that is y is equal to square root of x. Square root of x is equal to 3. Next square both sides and we get the value of x is equal to 3 square, and 3 square is 9. So we get the value of x is equal to 9. So this is the solution of this equation 9. Now plug the value x9, square root 9 into 9. Square root of 9 is 3, and 3 into 9 27. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is the solution of this equation. Thanks for watching.